Hey guys, it's Abraham here. So today we're going to be looking at muscle hypertrophy. Now, this is basically how to build muscle. So, many people say eat protein, all this kind of stuff, eat protein and you'll build muscle. Well, there's actually a little bit more complicated than that. There's two types of muscle hypertrophy. There is sarcoplasm, which is basically the fluid around the muscle cell, and this changes in size depending on the lactic acid tolerance mainly. This is usually higher volume, which is like you spend about 1 to an hour and a half in the gym. And there's also myofibrils, which is basically the protein is thicker and it's got a more permanent effect. If you look at sprinters such as Ben Johnson, he's still pretty fit and he's still pretty, he's still pretty fast because it has that permanent effect. It's still got the muscle hypertrophy. Over time, this will also affect the sarcoplasm muscle hypertrophy. So you can see YouTubers such as Matt Does Fitness. He's a bodybuilder now. He used to do powerlifting, and he's converted to bodybuilding. So now we're going to look at the different types or how to affect these kinds of muscle hypertrophy. So sarcoplasm, you want to do isolated movements, bicep curls and tricep dips, those kind of stuff, and you want to put a lot of time under tension. So you're doing the bicep curl, you curl and you squeeze and then you come down, and you come very slowly down and you're still putting that under tension. Also isolated movements, as I said, affecting the biceps, only triceps. The myofibrils, these are compound movements. For example, squats, deadlifts, those kind of things, the compound exercises that affect multiple muscle groups at a time. This is what's going to make you more powerful. And you have to really stress it. Very few reps, just really stress your muscles. However, I don't really recommend doing this too much because you can get injured very easily. Now I'm just going to finish off with some tips. So a lot of people, as I said at the beginning of this video, say protein is very important for building muscle. And it is, they're correct. But the thing is, the process that they need to understand is the process of active transport. Active transport, here is a definition. Active transport is the movement of molecules or ions from a low to high concentration using energy from respiration, and it changes the shape of the protein so it can be passed along into the cell. Now, this is exactly the same in muscle hypertrophy. So you have to have a lot of carbohydrates for a lot of energy. This means that you have more energy to change the shape of the protein, and this means that more protein can be changed in shape, and they can fit inside the muscle cell, and that is going to make you build more muscle. Another thing, just eat loads. Just eat loads. Don't eat the same, because if you eat the same, just think about it, you're adding weight on. So if you're not going to eat the same, you're not going to add any weight. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.